Hello, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we have four tips for navigation during the social dancing.
So you don't get lost on the dance floor. Okay, tip number 1. If you use a back step, be sure to make it very small, tiny, and larger on the side step to go to any figure. So this is about starting the step, mostly larger step, side left for the leader, right for the followers. But if you use the back step, don't make it huge and back because it's going against the line of dance.
Exactly.
We prefer to start always the figures on the side step. Always we do side step and going from here to the figure. So this is our favorite position to start.
Yeah, this is the way we like to teach. Always the number 1 to the side step, because if we do the number 1, we may step back. I mean, one is for musicality purpose and the second one is for navigation. So one more time, let us repeat this. Change always before starting, change your body weight, her body weight, your partner's body weight, and then start up to the side, ready to walk out. Yep, that's
You can use the back step because it's not wrong. It's part of some people they teach
Exactly.
that, which is correct, but don't make it large.
Yeah.
Also, the direction of the side step, be sure it's not going backwards. So the side step should be to your side, or also it could be a little bit diagonal forward, front, moving front already with the side step, which accelerates the navigation. It's very nice.
Why we are saying this? Because this is the range of view that the leader has. So we make sure that no one is in this area. Yeah. So you can take the step here, always in your range of view. That brings us to
Tip number 2.
So this is the tip number 2. Every time that we are doing a step and you end up facing against the line of dance, without going there, you have to come back. So our recommendation is to repeat basically the same step. So let's put this example. Rock step, that's it. I was planning to do a basic step on that direction, but that won't work because it's against the line of dance. Repeat the same rock step, pam, pam, pam. And now, yes, you can do whatever you want in the line of dance.
Or you can use this rock step for the second part to return to the line of dance. So you're using another figure which ends facing against the line of dance for leaders. So use the rock step we are using now to go back to the line of dance. Or you can do another figure. But be sure to finish facing the line of dance and not finishing against. Or sometimes I see leaders, let's do the rock step again. If you do like 2 times, for example, the rock step. Sometimes they finish not against, but facing or navigating outside the dance floor, like on the right side for leaders. So you can use one more, but be sure to finish the figure facing leaders, facing line of dance.
Why we recommend this rock step? Because it doesn't occupy much space. So you finish and you are like, ah! A lot of people here, just occupy your own space and come back. That's why we use the rock step, and we recommend not using another figure because it's like kind of large against the line of dance.
That's a good tip. Don't use a figure that will make you navigate against the line of dance.
So, same thing. We were talking about the range of view, correct?
Yes.
What happened?
So we have tip number 3.
So, what happened here? And we are going to avoid taking steps without looking, of course, on our blind spot. It's just like driving. If you're here and your mirror view is broken, you don't just go boom, rotating to the right, changing lane. The same here. So if you're going to go there, you have to first rotate to see no one is coming, and then you can go. But never ever, I will do the same thing with the rock step. Never do these kind of things. 1 and pam, 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 without looking. Did you notice that I was facing there and all of a sudden I moved to my blind spot? This is not good because for sure somebody's coming on the other lane, yeah, or on this side.
when the leader does that, we the followers feel very unsafe because we feel like he's moving to this place and we tend to do this, like watch on this area for him. But leaders avoid that, don't go outside the line of dance. So don't move, this is the center of the line of dance, don't move to the leader's right side too much, too long,
Exactly.
for a long time, keep moving, because you are moving against the line of dance anyways.
Yes, and that will provoke either crashing with another couple, or if you are already on this lane, you are going to crash against the table and wasting somebody else's champagne. Yeah, so don't do that.
So we have now tip number 4 and the last one. So now we are doing side step, rock step, and now I feel the lead for ocho, and then he keeps navigating against the line of dance to do an ocho cortado and walk again. So this was a very long navigation, walking backwards, which is not a wrong step, but it's the wrong direction. So
Yep.
don't do that.
So again, it's exactly the same case. You will not go without looking first towards the right. This is the difference. If you go on that direction, you may rotate and then go on that direction if nobody's coming. On that direction, it's a no. Even if you rotate many turns and you know that no one is coming, don't go there.
So how to fix that? For example, if they are doing the rock step,
Yes.
and they want to do that figure,
For example, if they're walking back, for example, I will rotate, pam, pam, rock step. Change. If I want to go, I know that because I was walking on that direction, there is nobody there. And now I can walk and then right away, the faster I can, come back to the line of dance.
The line of dance.
Face the line of dance to make sure I'm not crashing nobody on that
If
one.
you notice, he's doing a little circle, like it's not one circle, it's like maybe quarter of circle to go back to the line of dance, walking backwards with very tiny short steps to right away be in front of the line of dance.
That is
So every
correct.
time you do back steps for the leaders, in any case or different cases,
Yeah,
let's repeat
I
this
will do
one.
this.
It's very tiny, very small, small back step. It's
Yes.
never a very big back step. It's always larger when you walk forward, leaders, followers larger when you walk backwards, and shorter for the leaders when they walk backwards. So this is tip number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very important, so you don't crash with everyone on the dance floor. And we have to improve the navigation on the dance floor for tango.
Yes.
Tango community, please work on navigation, much more, watch videos, go to the teachers and ask them to teach you how to navigate, because we're going to the milongas in different parts of the world, different countries, different communities, and navigation is something that we have to really improve, everybody.
Now it is up to you to improve your tango community.
Okay, this is for today all we have for you. Thanks so much.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.